Hi there friends, this is Deepak Kshatriya and I welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen. And today I'm going to show you one of the most famous South Indian side dish, that is Beetroot Palya. That is what we call in our Karnataka. It goes very well with the lunchtime accompaniment, and believe me, it is so healthy and very easy to make also. So without much of wait, let's see how this beautiful Beetroot Palya is done. Ingredients required to make this beautiful beetroot palya are grated beetroot 250 grams, sliced onions 50 grams or 2 numbers, green chilies as per taste, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of gram dal, 2 pinches of turmeric, salt to taste, chopped coriander leaves, 3 tablespoon oil, here I kept a pan to heat. In this we'll add 3 tablespoons of oil. The oil is nice and hot. We'll add this mustard seeds, jeera, the gram dal, saute until it crisps. And we'll add the green chilies, and saute it for a bit. And now let's add the chopped onions, salt, turmeric, and mix it well and saute until the onions become translucent. Keep in mind the onion should not overcook, there should be some crunch. And now we'll add this grated beetroot. And give this a nice mix. Close the lid and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on a medium flame. After 5 minutes, wow, it's been perfect. All the water has been evaporated and it's done perfectly. This is exactly how it needs to be done. You can see how beautiful it has been done. And here you go, the famous beetroot palya is now ready. Just look at it, how beautiful it is, and believe me, it tastes that good also. You can have this at breakfast for even with some chapatis, naans and bread also, and it will go excellent with it. I request you guys to try this recipe in my method and let me know how it went. I hope you guys like this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon and turn on the notifications to all. So a lot of people are asking me to do a channel in Hindi also. As per your request, I have created a new Hindi channel by the name Deepak's Kitchen Hindi. The link for this channel is also given in this iCard here and also given in the description. Please do check my new channel and also don't forget to subscribe to that one also. So we'll be back with another MA recipe. Till then, this is your host Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaste.